Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to clean your makeup brushes and sponge. So let's start the video. So I've taken few dirty used makeup brushes for your reference. This is a foundation brush, it's a powder brush and makeup sponge. And I've taken few eye brushes also. So things which you require is a makeup cleaning pad, coconut oil, a baby shampoo and a soap, a cup to mix all the ingredients, and a tissue paper and a clean towel. So these are the products which you require. There are many ready-made makeup brushes cleaning product in the market, but still this is the very affordable option which you can use it from your home. Now I'm placing the pad, makeup cleaning pad, and I'm going to take few drops or few quantity of shampoo, and I'm going to mix few drops of coconut oil into it, as coconut oil will take out any stubborn waterproof makeup product, leftover product in the brush. So that is the main reason of using coconut oil along with the shampoo. Now I'm going to dip the brush, and before that I have wetted the brush. I'm going to dip it on the ingredients. I'm going to swirl around in the makeup pad, cleaning pad. So this cleaning pad has been made by me. It's a DIY makeup cleaning pad. I'm going to wash off the running tap water very well. In case if there is more strains, you can again take a little more quantity and do the same step to clean all the dirt in the makeup brushes. Now you can see there's a clean brush now. All the dirt has been removed. I'm going to wash it under the tap water very well. It is very important to clean your brushes periodically, as dirty brushes may cause skin irritations and a lot of skin issues. Now I'm going to do the same step for a smaller brush. The only thing is that I'm going to change the side. This dot and wavy patterns will help the smaller brushes to clean very well. I'm going to rub it across the pattern. And clean very well. I'm going to wash it under the water. Next, in order to clean the sponge, I'm going to take a soap. This is soap from Dettol. I'm going to swirl the makeup sponge in the under running water. As you can see, I'm going to rub the sponge with the soap. I'm going to clean it very well. Now I'm going to spread a clean towel. And one more tip is that please do not keep the brushes after washing in a vertical position, as the water may drip into the handles. You can keep it horizontally and take a tissue paper, hand tissue, and nicely squeeze out the excess water which is present in the bristles. Now you can see it has been towel dried. Similarly, you can use the same step for the beauty blender as well, for beauty sponge. See, all the dirt has gone away. This is a very simple step you can follow, and you can dry it for a day or two. So hope you like the video. Please give me a good thumbs up and share the video. Thank you guys. Bye.